औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आप सभी का और एक बार खैर मकदम हमारी इस फेसबुक चैनल और हमारी यूट्यूब चैनल मोहम्मद अनस बिन बिलाल। सो दिस इज़ द मैच इन T20 Super Cup played at Chukkar Tulbagh ground. Today the two teams are Yal Blasters versus Chukkar Zalmi. The two teams are today in this tournament. First, Chukkar's Yal Blasters, they win the toss and they decided to ball first. This is a T20 Super Cup third edition played at Chukkar Tulbagh ground. आज की जो दो टीमें हैं, Chukkar Zalmi versus Yal Blasters. याल ब्लास्टर्स ने पहले टॉस जीतकर पहले फील्डिंग का निर्णय लिया. So Huzef is the batsman on strike and Tawfiq Noor he is on non-strike, and Irshad Rabada he is on his first over. This is first over of this first inning. So this is very important match today. कल भी हमें एक अच्छा मुकाबला देखने को मिला जो कि चुक्कर ज़ालमी ने और PCC बहरामपुरा के दरमियान खेला गया. एक अच्छे खेल का मुजाहरा किया कल चुक्कर ज़ालमी ने. सो चुक्कर ज़ालमी is again with Yal Blasters. So this is the first delivery of this match. This is good delivery. Huzef batsman plays very well shot. The two batsmen want to do, and here is a well fielding at the end by the fielder. The two batsmen take a single. Huzef he opens his account with the single. This is one run on board for Chukkar Zalmi. Yal Blasters they win the toss and they decided to ball first. This is first over of this first inning between Yal Blasters versus Chukkar Zalmi. Irshad Rabada again to the batsman Tawfiq Noor. Oh, this is good shot played by the batsman, and this is 4 for Tawfiq Noor. This is first 4 of this match with the bat of Tawfiq Noor. He opens his account with this 4. The score moves to 5 without any loss. This is first over of this first inning between Yal Blasters versus Chukkar Zalmi. This is great shot played by the batsman Tawfiq. He opens his account with this 4. Irshad Rabada again to the batsman Tawfiq. Oh, this is good shot played by the batsman Tawfiq Noor, and this is 4 for Tawfiq, 4 for Chukkar Zalmi. The score moves to 9 without any loss. This is great shot played by the batsman Tawfiq Noor. He moves on 8 with the help of 2 fours in 2 deliveries. Irshad Rabada he is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Tawfiq Noor. Oh, this is great comeback by the bowler Irshad Rabada. Beat the batsman Tawfiq Noor. No run score remains on 9 without any loss. This is first over of this first inning between the two teams. Yal Blasters versus Chukkar Zalmi. Irshad Rabada again to the batsman Tawfiq. Oh, this is another good delivery, but at the end the two batsmen wants to take a single, but very good fielding at the end by the fielder. No run score remains on 9 without any loss. This is first over of this first inning. Irshad Rabada again to the batsman Tawfiq Noor. He is on 8. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman. दंदना का हुआ चौका लगा Tawfiq के बल्ले से. With this 4 the score moves to 13 for without any loss. This is great start for Chukkar Zalmi. 13 runs after 1 over without any loss. Tawfiq he moves on 12 in 5 deliveries, and Huzef he is on 1. Latif Chaupan, thank you Latif Chaupan sir for joining us with this live broadcast. Farhan Loon is he Huzef Mir. Yes Farhan Loon sir, he is Huzef Mir on strike now. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो देखने वाले हैं वो इसमें अहम मुकाबले का अहम मैच का घर बैठे मज़ा ले और आनंद ले. This is a very important match today between Yal Blasters versus Chukkar Zalmi. After 1 over the score on board is 13 without loss for Chukkar Zalmi. Now Huzef Mir. Oh, this is the end of Huzef Mir. Very good delivery, and at the end very good catch taken by the wicket keeper. And this is end of Huzef Mir. This is first wicket for Chukkar Zalmi in the shape of Huzef Mir. This is great bowling by Shaheen. He takes his first wicket in his first over on his first delivery. This is great bowling. So this is end of Huzef Mir. He lost his wicket. He make only 1 run. Farhan Loon, Huzef by all the best. Thank you Farhan Loon, but it is end of Huzef Mir. He lost his wicket. He make only 1 run for his team. The score on board is 13 for the loss of 1. This is great bowling by Shaheen Butt. He take his first wicket on his first delivery. Great catch taken at the end by wicketkeeper. Ishfaq, nice bro. Thank you Ishfaq Saab for joining us with this live broadcast. Lone Rizwan. चुकर जाता आगे चुकर जातेगा. Thank you Lone Rizwan Saab for your love for your joining us with this live broadcast. King 220 Super Cup under 19 Grand Finale on Sunday. Chukar Night Riders versus CSK. Thank you King Saab. This is a night. This is inshallah final on Sunday. Sunday will be the final day inshallah of under 19 T20 Super Cup played at Chukar Tulbagh ground. The two teams are Chukar Cricket Club versus CSK Padhalan. I invite you all that you will be come here at Chukar Tulbagh on Sunday inshallah. This is Farhan Lone, very sad for you. Thank you Farhan Saab. Dar Yasin, assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Prince Adil, assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dar Yasin, best of luck, Yal Blasters. Thank you, Dar Yasin Saab, for your love, for your support to Dar Blasters, Yal Blasters. This is very important match today. Yal Blasters versus Chukar Zalmi. First, Yal Blasters, they win the toss and they decided to bowl first. After 1.1 hour, the score on board is 13 for the loss of 1. This is great bowling by Shaheen Butt. He takes his first wicket on his first delivery. Amir, thank you Amir Saab for joining us with this live broadcast. Friends Adil, Riyaz Ahmad Bhatt, thank you Riyaz Ahmad Bhatt Saab. This is again the new batsman is Sajad Ahmad on strike for Chukar Zalmi. He is on strike. Shaheen Butt again. This is again great delivery by the bowler Shaheen Butt. Beat the batsman Sajad. No run. Score remains on 13 for the loss of 1. Farhan Lone is Nago playing. Thank you Farhan Saab. Yassi is in squad. This is again Shaheen Butt to the batsman Sajad wants to hit this ball, but this is very great delivery by the bowler Shaheen Butt. Beat the batsman Sajad. No run. Score remains on 13 for the loss of 1. This is second over of this first inning between Yal Blasters versus Chukar Zalmi. Murtaza Ashraf, assalamu alaikum, alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Shaheen again. This is wide given by the umpire Shahnawaz. With this wide, the score moves to 14 for the loss of 1. This is second over of this first inning between Yal Blasters versus Chukar Zalmi. Mushtaq, assalamu alaikum, alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Sabhi ka meri taraf se. This is again Shaheen to the batsman. This is great delivery, very good delivery by Shaheen. Beat the batsman Sajad. No run. Score remains on 13 for the loss of 1. Shami Jeri, assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. आप सभी का मेरी तरफ से आप इस live broadcast में खैर मकदम, and you can also watch this live broadcast on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is again Chukar Zalmi versus Yal Blasters match today. The two teams are Yal Blasters. They win the toss and they decided to field first. This is Shaheen Butt again to the batsman Sajad. मारना चाहते थे इस बॉल पे सजाद, लेकिन बीच में very good delivery by Sajad. He take his first wicket on his first delivery in the shape of Huzayf Mir. Imtiaz Hussain, Yal Blasters best team. Thank you Imtiaz Hussain Saab for your love, for your support. This is another good shot at the end, very good fielding. जहाँ 4 होना था वहाँ पे रन सूखे पड़े Chukar Zalmi को. No run score remains on 14 for the loss of 1 after 2 hours. This is great over by the bowler Shaheen. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज़ और वीडियो क्वालिटी कैसी पहुंच आ रही है, और आप जरूर लिखिए कहां से आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को इस वक्त देख रहे हो. सो दिस इज 2 hours and the score on board is 14 for the loss of 1. This is wicket for Shaheen Butt. He takes his first wicket on his first delivery. Very good bowling by Shaheen. In 1 over, only give 1 run and take 1 crucial wicket of Huzayf Mir. Now again, Irshad Rabada on his bowling mark to the batsman Tawfiq. This is wide given by the umpire. With this wide, the score moves to 15 for the loss of 1. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो भी देखने वाले हैं इस अहम मुकाबले का घर बैठे मजा ले और आनंद ले. Shahid Lone, assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Shaheen Lone Saab, welcome you all in this live broadcast for joining us, and thanks for joining us with this live broadcast. This is again Irshad Rabada to the batsman Tawfiq Noor. Oh, this is a chance. यहाँ पे एक मौका बनता था लेकिन miss by the fielder, and this is 4 for Tawfiq Noor, 4 for Chukar Zalmi. With this score, the score moves to 19 for the loss of 1, but very well try at the end by third keeper. Latif Joban, वालेकुम सलाम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू. आप का सभी का शुक्रिया इस प्यार देने के लिए, एंड थैंक्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू दैट for joining us with this live broadcast. This is the third over of this first inning. Tawfiq Noor, he's on strike. Irshad to the batsman Tawfiq. Oh, here is a chance of a catch. Here's a chance of a catch. Oh, this is the end of Tawfiq Noor. This is great catch taken by the fielder at the end. And this is the end of Tawfiq. He plays 60 runs in 6 deliveries. Chukar Zalmi, they lost their second wicket in the shape of Tawfiq Noor. Now score on board is 19 for the loss of 2. This is great bowling by Irshad Rabada. He takes his first wicket on his second over in his second over. This is great catch taken at the end by the fielder. Jimmy Chedi, network problem है भाई. Thank you Jimmy Chedi साहब for your suggestion. यहाँ पे नेटवर्क का इशू हमेशा रहता है, उसके लिए हम माजरत खा है आपसे. शाहिद लोन, you are also welcome. Thank you Shahid Loan साहब for your love, for your support. Loan Rizwan, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. वालेकुम सलाम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू. Chukar Knight Riders, अस्सलाम वालेकुम बिलाल भाई. Thank you Chukar Riders and best of luck both the teams, Chukar Knight Riders and CSK Palalan. On Sunday this will be fun day, this will be super day, and this will be final day on Sunday inshallah. I hope so that you will be all come at Chukar Tulba ground on Sunday, because the great finale final of under 19 T20 Super Cup played at Chukar Tulba ground. The two teams are Chukar Knight Riders versus the CSK Palalan. आप सभी को हमारी तरफ से इनवाइट किया जाता है कि आप तमाम संडे को यहाँ पे तशरीफ लाए, क्योंकि एक बड़ा मुकाबला होने जा रहा है संडे को. The final of under 19 T20 Super Cup played as on Sunday. Now the new batsman is Mehraj. He is on strike. Majid, this is the best ever team Yal champions. Thank you Majid sir for your love to Yal Blasters, and also keep share this live broadcast with your friends. Chukar Knight Riders video quality good. Thank you Chukar Knight Riders for your good suggestion and positive comment, and for your love. I am also thanks to you, all of you. Majid, best of luck. Thank you Majid sir for your luck to this team Yal Blasters. This is very important match today between Yal Blasters versus Chukar Zalmi. Now 19 on board and they lost 2 wickets. The new batsman is Mehraj. He is on strike. Furqan Nazir, Yal Blasters ने बैटिंग की या क्या Furqan Nazir. No, this is first inning of this match. Yal Blasters, they win the toss and they decided to ball first. This is first inning after 2.2 hours. The score on board is 19 for the loss of 2. The two batsmen for Chukar Zalmi, Tawfiq Noor and Huzaif, they lost their wicket. Shahid Loan, if you give a ticket, I can. Thank you. Thank you. This is a chance of a wicket here, but at the end, this is a single for the two batsmen. Mehraj, he opens the second with the single. This is great bowling by Irshad Rabada. Thank you Shahid Loan Saab for your love, for your support, and also keep share this live stream with your friends. And you can also watch this live stream on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal. This is again Irshad Rabada to the batsman Sajad. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman. Dandanata hua chaka laga Sajad ke balle se. The score moves to 24 for the loss of 2. This is great shot played by the batsman Sajad Ahmad. He opens his account with this score. Chukar Knight Riders live stream ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा share करें. Thank you Chukar Riders for your love. This is again Irshad Rabada to the batsman Sajad. Oh, this is great shot. Again great shot played by the batsman Sajad. This is 4 for Sajad, 4 for Chukar Zalmi. With this score, the score moves to 28 for the loss of 2. This is first inning of this match. Furqan Nazir, Irshad Rabada is back. Thank you Furqan Nazir. Chukar Knight Riders 4 out. Thank you Irshad Rabada again to the batsman Sajad. Oh, this is a wide given by the umpire. With this wide, the score moves to 29 for the loss of 2. This is third over of this first inning. Irshad Rabada again to the batsman Sajad. Oh, this is another good shot played by the batsman. Dandanata hua chauka Sajad ke balle se. 3 चौके लगे इस ओवर में सजाद के बल्ले से. This is great batting by Sajad. The score moves to 33 for the loss of 2 after 3 hours. Jimmy Chedi, Sajad Kus, Furqan Nazir. Thank you Furqan Saab. Thank you Jimmy Chedi Saab. Shahid Loan, when he give a ticket then I will go. I'm waiting for Bilal. He did not give replay. Thank you Sajad Loan Saab. I will try my best inshallah. Also this is again Shaheen to the batsman Mehraj. This is great delivery. Beat the batsman Mehraj. No run score remains on 33 for the loss of 2. This is fourth over of this first inning between Yal Blasters versus Chukar Zalmi. Shaheen Bhatt is on his second over. He's again to the batsman Mehraj. Very good delivery by tip bowler Shaheen. beat the batsman महराज। अगर हम महराज की बात करेंगे तो एक सीनियर बैट्समैन है इस टीम के, एक अच्छी पार्टनरशिप दिलाई कल यहाँ पे बीसीसी बहरामपुरा के खिलाफ। 101 रन पार्टनरशिप played yesterday against BCC Bahrampura. He was yesterday man of the match against BCC Bahrampura. Very good knock played yesterday by Mehraj. He's on strike. Oh, this is great shot. This is 4 for Mehraj. He opens the account with this 4. This is great shot. तंदनाता हुआ चौका लगा Mehraj के बल्ले से. The score moves to 37 for the loss of 2. And this is 4th over of this first inning. Javed Naku Sajad कौन है? Thank you Javed Naku for joining us with this live broadcast. Javed Abdullah video card थोड़ी सी कम है. Thank you Javed Abdullah Junaid Abdullah for joining us with this live. This is again very good delivery missed by the wicket keeper, and this is a 5-4 for Chukar Salvi. The score moves to 41 for the loss of 2. Javed Junaid Abdullah, I will try my best to clear this inshallah. I hope so. Chukar Knight Riders lineman Karbal Zabardast. Thank you Chukar Knight Riders for you allowed to Shaheen Butt. This is great bowling by Shaheen Butt. He takes his first wicket on his first delivery. Now he's again to the batsman Mehraj. Oh, this is good comeback by Shaheen. Very good delivery, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With the single, the score moves to 42 for the loss of 2 after 4 hours. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप तक हमारी आवाज और कार्डी कैसी पहुंच पा रही है। दिस इज T20 Super Cup third edition played at Chukar Tulba ground. The two teams are today Chukar Zalmi versus Yal Blasters. Now the new bowler is Sahil on his first over. He's on his bowling mark to the batsman Mehraj. He is on 12. Sorry, he's on 6. This is great start by the bowler Sahil. No run. Score remains on 42 for the loss of 2. Mir Umar, thank you Mir Umar Saf for joining on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this live stream. And Sahil is again to the batsman Mehraj. Oh, very good delivery by, but at the end the two batsmen complete a single. This is great running between the wickets. With this single the score moves to 43 for the loss of 2. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो भी है वो इस अहम मुकाबले का, अहम मैच का घर बैठे मजा ले, अहम और आनंद ले। दिस इज अगेन साहिल टू द बैट्समैन सजाद. ही इज ऑन 12. दिस इज ग्रेट शॉट एट द एंड. वेरी गुड फील्डिंग बाय द फील्डर. जहां 4 होना था वहां पे सूखा पड़ा रन. नो रन स्कोर रिमेन्स ऑन 43 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 2. This is again Sahil to the batsman, wants to hit this. This is great delivery by Sahil. Beat the batsman Sajad. मारना चाहते थे लेकिन पीछ पे यहाँ पे बैट्समैन बल्लेबाज सजाद. Score remains on 43 for the loss of 2. This is Sahil. He is again to the batsman Sajad. This is another good delivery and very good fielding by the fielder. Dot ball. No run. Score remains on 43 for the loss of 2. This is 5th over of this first inning between Yal Blasters versus Chukar Zalmi. Sahil is again to the batsman Sajad. This is another good shot played by the batsman and very good fielding by the fielder. This is single for the two batsmen, single for Sajad. With this single the score moves to 44 for the loss of 2 and of 5 overs. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो भी देखने वाले हैं वो इस अहम मुकाबले का, अहम मैच का घर बैठे मजा ले, आनंद ले इस मैच का। The two teams are today Yal Blasters versus Chukar Zalmi. First Yal Blasters, they win the toss and they opted to field first. After 5 overs the score on board is 44 for the loss of 2. This is Arif Butt. Arif Loan, he's on his bowling mark to the batsman Sajad. This is great shot played by the batsman. दंदनाता हुआ चौका लगा सजाद के बल्ले से. 4 रन मिलेंगे यहाँ पे सजाद को, चुकर ज़ालमी को. The score moves to 48 for the loss of 2. This is Sajad on strike. Arif Loan again. This is great bowling by Arif Loan. डंडे बाहर किए सजाद के. This is end of Sajad. He make only 17 runs. His third wicket for Chukar Zalmi. Very good delivery by Asif Loan. He take his first wicket on his second delivery. Clean bowled the batsman Sajad. This is great delivery by Arif Loan. Now Chukar Zalmi, they lost their third wicket in the shape of Sajad. The score on board is 43 for the loss of 3. Now the two batsmen need to be cool and calm. They need a partnership here if they want to kill the target of 150, 160 to Yal Blaster. Now the new batsman is Lala, the senior most cricketer, talented cricketer of Chukar Zalmi. He is on strike now. He is one of the senior player of this team, Chukar Zalmi. Now he is on strike. आज लाला को अपनी खेल दिखानी होगी, खेलना होगा आज अपनी टीम के लिए, बिकॉज चुकर जालमी दे आर इन ट्रबल सिचुएशन हियर. मुश्किलात में है इस वक्त चुकर जालमी की टीम. 3 विकेट गंवाए, सिर्फ 48 रन बोर्ड पे. Arif long to the batsman Lala. Oh, this is a great shot played by the batsman Lala, and this is 4 for Lala. Lala opens his account with this 4. The score moves to 52 for the loss of 3. Lala opens his account with this 4. This is a great shot played by the batsman Lala. He is one of the senior player for Chukar Zalmi. He is on strike again. Arif Lone. यहाँ पे थोड़ा खड़बड़, डिस्टर्ब यहाँ पे थोड़ा. Mir Umar Chukar Alis का मैच कब है? Thank you Mir Umar साहब. This is again Arif to the batsman. Oh, this is another good shot played by the batsman Lala, and this is 4. दंदनाता हुआ चौका लगा लाला के बल्ले से. 2 गेंदों पे 2 चौके लगे लाला के बल्ले से. This is great shot played by the batsman Lala. The score moves to 56 for the loss of 3. Lala is on 8 with the help of 2 4s. Gazi Smart Tigers wicket Koon. Thank you Gazi Smart Tigers for joining us with this live broadcast. Shahid Loon. Where is Nadeem? Nadeem is yet to bat for Chukar Zalmi. The wicket of Sajad, Tawfiq and Huzef, they lost their wicket for Chukar Zalmi. This is first inning of this match between Yal Blasters versus Chukar Zalmi. The score on board is 56 for the loss of 3. Arif Loon again on his bowling mark to the batsman Lala. He's on strike. He's on 8. Again wants to hit this ball Lala, but beat the batsman. Very good delivery by Arif Loon. मारना चाहते थे यहाँ पे तीसरी बार Lala, लेकिन बीट हुए. This is great comeback by the bowler Arif Loon. No run score remains on 56 for the loss of 3. Oh, this is again great shot played by the batsman. This is 4 for Lala, 4 for Chukar Zalmi. The score moves to 60 for the loss of 3. This is great shot played by the batsman Lala. He's on 12 runs with the help of 3 4s. Javed Naiko video card थोड़ा कम है. New mobile. Thank you Javed Naiko Saab for joining us with this live broadcast. XRD Lala today. Thank you XRD Saab for your love to Lala. Lala he's on non-strike and Zadedi Common Lala. Thank you XRD Saab for your love, for your support to the batsman Lala. Now he's on non-strike and Mehraj he's on strike. He's on 12 7. Sahil on bowling mark. He's on his second over to the batsman Mehraj. Oh, this is a great bowling by Sahil. No run score remains on 60 for the loss of 3. आज 3 चौके लगे लाला के बल्ले से. This is great start for Lala. Sahil again to the batsman Mehraj. मारना चाहते थे यहाँ पे batsman बल्लेबाज Mehraj. Great delivery by the bowler Sahil. Beat the batsman Mehraj. No run score remains on 60 for the loss of 3. Mir Umar Lala is on fire. Thank you Mir Umar Saab for your love to Lala. Sahil again to the batsman Mehraj. Now the two batsmen need to be cool and calm. They need a partnership here because they lost their early 3 wickets. Sahil again to the batsman Mehraj. Oh, this is great shot at the end. This is 6 given by the umpire, and this is first 6 for this match. Very good shot played by the batsman Mehraj. दंदनाता हुआ 6 रन अपने नाम, अपनी टीम के नाम Mehraj ने किए. The score moves to 66 for the loss of 3. This is again Sahil to the batsman Mehraj. He's on strike. Again wants to hit this ball. Very good comeback by the bowler Sahil. Beat the batsman Mehraj. No run. Score remains on 66 for the loss of 3. XRD, where is Mir Yasir? Mir Yasir is still yet to bat. Only 3 wickets fell for Chukar Zalmi. This is again very good delivery by Sahil. Beat the batsman Mehraj. No run. Score remains on 66 for the loss of 3. Mehraj is on 13. Sahil again to the batsman Mehraj. Oh, this is another good delivery. Very good delivery by Sahil. The score on board is 66 for the loss of 3 after 7 overs. Chukar Night Riders live stream ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा share करो. Thank you Chukar Riders for your love, for your support this live broadcast, and also support me on my YouTube channel Muhammad Anas bin Bilal, and you can also share this live broadcast with your friends. Now the batsman on strike is Lala. He's on strike. He's on 12 with the help of 3 fours. Oh, this is a great delivery. Very good delivery by the bowler. Yunus, he's on his bowling mark again. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. यूनुस अगेन टू द बैट्समैन लाला. दिस इज अनदर गुड डिलीवरी. वेरी गुड डिलीवरी बाय द बॉलर यूनुस. बीट द बैट्समैन लाला. लाला मारना चाहते थे लेकिन यहाँ पे बीट हुए. नो रन स्कोर रिमेनर्स ऑन 66 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 3. यहाँ पे आज लाला को एक अच्छी पारी खेलनी होगी. दरकार है इस पारी की. Again, very good delivery. This is wide given by the umpire. This is wide. With this wide, the score moves to 67 for the loss of 3. This is 8th over of this first inning between Yal Blasters versus Chukar Zalmi. Chukar King Riders 6 alert. Thank you, Chukar, for your love to Lala. Oh, this great shot played by the batsman, Mr. Lala. This is 4 for Lala. दंदनाता हुआ चौका लगा Lala के पल्ले से. This is 4 for Lala, 4 for Chukar Zalmi. With this 4, the score moves to 71 for the loss of 3. आज यहाँ पे एक अच्छी पारी खेलनी होगी लाला को. दरकार है अपने टीम के लिए इस पारी की. This is again Yunus to the batsman Lala. He's on 16. Again wants to hit this ball, but beat the batsman. This is great delivery, great comeback by the bowler Yunus. No run score remains on 71 for the loss of 3. This is 8th over of this first inning between Yal Blasters versus Chukar Zalmi. Yal Blasters they win the toss and they opted to bat first. अगर हम लाला की बात करें तो एक मायादास खिलाड़ी है. He's again on strike. Oh, this is another good delivery by Yunus. Beat the batsman Yala. No run score remains on 71 for the loss of 3. अगर हम लाला की बात करें तो एक सीनियर खिलाड़ी है. क्षमता रखते हैं खेलने की, ताकत रखते हैं, टेक्निक है उसके पास छक्के चौके लगाने की. He's again on strike. Wants to hit this ball, but at end here is yes no. But the two batsmen complete a single. Oh, here is misfield. This is extra 4 for Chukar Zalmi. Very good. Zahid, assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Zahid Saab, Shahid Loon, Hamid Lala on fire. Really, he is on fire, Lala. Today, this is day of Lala today. He is a game changer today. He will play today very well now because Chukar Zalmi, they need a partnership here. They need to be stay here. They need to be give a good total to Yal Blasters. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो भी देखने वाले हैं वो इस अहम मुकाबले का घर बैठे आनंद ले, इस अहम मुकाबले का मजा ले. Lala is on fire. He's on fire. He's on strike. He's on 21. Oh, this is a great bowling by the bowler. Beat the batsman Lala. मारना चाहते थे यहाँ पे लाला लेकिन बीट हुए. This is great delivery by the bowler Shaheen Butt. The score remains on 76 for the loss of 3. Shaheen Butt again to the batsman Lala Hamid. He's on 21. Oh, दूसरी बार यहाँ पे मारना चाहते थे लाला लेकिन बीट हुए. This is great delivery by Shaheen Butt. Beat the batsman Lala Hamid. No run score remains on 76 for the loss of 3. इम्तियाज हुसैन लाला को आउट लो, मैच को विन करो. Thank you इम्तियाज हुसैन साहब. Oh, again this is great delivery by Shaheen Butt. But at the end, two batsmen complete a single. With this single, the score moves to 78 for the loss of 3. Thank you इम्तियाज हुसैन साहब for your love, for your support to Yal Blasters. Chukar Night Riders 190. It will be seen after this evening. This is Shaheen Butt again to the batsman Mehraj. This is great shot played by the batsman and very good fielding. जहाँ 4 होना था वहाँ पे 3 रन बचाए फील्डर ने अपने टीम याल ब्लास्टर्स के लिए. The score moves to the partnership is on 30 in 20 deliveries. Score on board is 78. Lala again on strike. मारना चाहते थे यहाँ पे लाला लेकिन बीट किया इस बॉलर शाहीन ने. Very good delivery by Shaheen. The score remains on 78 for the loss of 3. This is 9th over of this first inning. Shaheen Butt again to the batsman Lala. Oh, this is a great shot played by the batsman Lala, and this is 4 for Lala. दंदनाता हुआ चौका लगा लाला के बल्ले से. With this 4, the score moves to 82 for the loss of 3. This is great shot played by the batsman Lala. He's on the fire. He's in good touch today. Chukar Knight Riders lineman को बोलो slow डालो. Thank you. Chukar Knight Riders for your love to the Paula Shaheen but Mushtaq Dar यार कर डालो. Lala खत्म करो. Thank you Mushtaq Dar साहब for your love to Yal Plaster. Sahil, nice community. Thank you Sahil for joining us with this live broadcast. I am very thankful all of you that you also support me, and also thanks to you for joining us with this live broadcast. Malik Firdaus, love you Lala. Thank you Malik Saab for your love to Lala. He's on fire today. He's on in good touch today. Now Shine but again. Sorry, this is end of 9 overs. The score on board is 82 for the loss of 3. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman at the end. Here is good fielding by the fielder, but the two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves to 83 for the loss of 3. This is Yunus on his bowling mark to the batsman Lala. Lala is again on strike. He is on 26 in 15 deliveries. Oh, मारना चाहते थे यहाँ पे लाला, लेकिन good shot played by the batsman, and this is 4 for the batsman Lala. The score moves to 87 for the loss of 3. This is great shot played by the batsman Lala. He is on fire today. He is in good touch. He is on 30. आज लाला को खेलना होगा, आज दिखाना होगा अपने चाहने वालों को, अपने फैंस को एक अच्छी पारी खेलनी होगी, because he is one of the senior cricketer of this area. He is on strike again. Yunus to the batsman Lala. Oh, this is great delivery. This wide delivery given by the umpire. The score moves to 88 for the loss of 3. Latif Chopan 234. Thank you Latif Chopan for your good suggestion. Sahil, love you juga. Thank you. This again using Yunus to Lala. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman at the end. Very good fielding. The two batsmen complete a single. With this single, the score moves to 89 for the loss of 3. This is 10th over of this first inning between Yal Blasters versus Chukar Salmi. Mushtaq Dar, break cool temper of Lala by Yarka. Thank you Mushtaq Dar sir for joining us with this live broadcast. This is again Yunus to the batsman Mehraj. Oh, beat the batsman Mehraj. Very good delivery. मारना चाहते थे यहाँ पे बल्लेबाज मेहराज, लेकिन पीट किया यूनुस ने. No run score remains on 89 for the loss of 3. This is T20 Super Cup third edition played at Chukar Tolba ground, the organizing body of this tournament. This is again Yunus to the batsman Mehraj. Oh, this is a shot played by the batsman, and this is 4 for the batsman Mehraj, 4 for Chukar Salmi. With the score, the score moves to 93 for the loss of 3. Imtiaz Hussain wide nahi thi. Thank you Imtiaz Hussain sir for your love, for your support to Yal Blasters, and also your good commit. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो भी देखने वाले हो वो इस अहम मुकाबले का, अहम मैच का घर बैठे मजा ले, आनंद ले. So this is 10th over of this first inning. The score on board is 93, and Lala Hamid, he is on 31 in 17 deliveries, and Mehraj is on 19 in 19 deliveries. साहिल गर्मी नहीं है, फिर अम्ब्रेला की क्यों पकड़ी है? थैंक यू साहिल साहब फॉर दिस. आज गर्मी नहीं लेकिन गर्मी ही है. Chukar Knight Riders, what about under 19 tournament Bilal bhai? Thank you. Again I want to say you that on Sunday inshallah this will be final day of under 19 T20 Super Cup played at this venue Chukar Tolba ground. The two teams are Chukar Knight Riders, Chukar Cricket Club versus CSK Palhalan. Very good match played on Sunday. The great finale, final of under 19 T20 Super Cup. यहाँ पे थोड़ी देर के लिए पानी का वक्फा खेला जाएगा संडे को. आप सभी से हमारी गुजारिश है, हम आप सभी को इनवाइट करते हैं इतवार के दिन आप सभी यहाँ तशरीफ लाना इस ग्राउंड पे, बिकॉज ऑन संडे दिस विल बी फन डे, दिस विल बी सुपर डे, एंड दिस विल बी फाइनल डे ऑफ अंडर 19 T20 Super Cup between Chukar Cricket Club versus 93. This will be final of under 19 T20 Super Cup played at Chukar Tolba ground. You will be all invited that you will come on proper time on 11 inshallah. I hope so you will be come on Sunday, because this is a great finale of the final of under 19 T20 Super Cup at Chukar Tolba ground. Chukar Knight Riders drink back. Thank you Chukar Knight Riders for your love. Ishfaq Dar signal weak है. For this I am very sorry Ishfaq Dar साहब. यहाँ पे हर वक्त सिग्नल का इशू रहता है, उसके लिए हम आपसे माजरत खा है. अब हमने साइड भी चेंज किया है, थोड़ा हमने साइड चेंज किया है. इस आप ज़रूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए अब आप तक हमारी आवाज़ और क्वालिटी कैसी पहुँच पा रही है. Mir GM Lala is great. Thank you, Mir GM, for your love to Lala. Really, he's a very senior cricketer. He is one of the best cricketer of Chukar. Senior, talented, dashing cricketer Lala. He is on fire today. 31 in 17 deliveries. X Adi, I am always with the TM fan. Thank you, X Adi sir, for your love to TM. Mir GM, thanks for joining us with this live broadcast. This is a drink break here. Sophie Sami Love. Thank you, Sophie sir, for joining us with this live broadcast. Keep share this live broadcast with your friends. This is a very important match today. T20 Super Cup 3rd edition played at Chukar Tulba ground. The two teams are today. Chukar Zalmi versus Yal Blasters. First, Chukar Yal Blasters, they win the toss and they decided to field first. After 9.5 overs, the score on board is 93 for the loss of 3. Mehraj, he's on 19, and Lala Hamid today. Very well played. He's on 31 in 17 deliveries. Lala, he's on good touch today. Yunus Mallah, he's on bowling mark. Dahim over. Tranamat. Chukar Knight Riders, Lala ko bolo I6, ball पे 6 मारना. Inshallah, I hope so. Lala is the great batsman, great, and he is also senior cricketer, talented, young. And this is again Yunus to the batsman. Mehraj wants to hit this ball. मारना चाहते थे लेकिन पीट किया bowler Yunus ने. This is dot delivery. No run score remains on 93 for the loss of 3. This is end of 10 overs. This is a love from Chukar Knight Riders to Lala Hamid. He is on strike now. He is on 31. आज अच्छी पारी खेलनी होगी इस बल्लेबाज लाला को, because he is one of the genius cricketer, honest cricketer and sincere cricketer of Chukar. He need to be cool and calm today if they want to give the target of 190-180 to Yal Blasters. This is 10th over of this. So this is a 11th over of this first inning. Lala, he's on strike. Oh, this is wide given by the umpire. This is Irshad Rabada again. With this wide, the score moves to 94 for the loss of 3. Nazir Loon, hello live wala. Thank you Nazir Loon sir for joining us with this live broadcast. This is again Irshad Rabada to the batsman Lala. Lala मारना चाहते थे लेकिन पीट किया यहाँ पे इरशाद रबाडा ने. This is no run. Score remains on 94 for the loss of 3. This is great bowling by Irshad Rabada. He is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Lala Hamid. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman at the end. This is a single for the two batsmen. With the single, the score moves to 95 for the loss of 3. This is 11th over of this first inning between Yal Blasters versus Chukar Zalmi. Mehraj, he's on strike. He's on 19. Rabada to the batsman Mehraj. Again, good shot played by the batsman at the end. Very good fielding by the fielder, but cannot stop the two batsmen to take a single. With the single, the score moves to 96 for the loss of 3. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. Now Hamid Lala, he's again on strike. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman and very good fielding at the end by the fielder. जहाँ 4 होना था वहाँ पे रोका 3 रन अपनी टीम के लिए fielder ने. The score moves to 97 for the loss of 3. Irshad Rabada again to the batsman Mehraj. He is on 20. मारना चाहते थे यहाँ पे बल्लेबाज Mehraj. बीट किया बॉलर ने इरशाद रबाडा ने. This is totally no run score remains on 97 for the loss of 3. This is 11th over of this first inning. Now again Irshad to the batsman. Oh, very good delivery by Irshad Rabada. Beat the batsman Mehraj. No run score remains on 98 for the loss of 3. The partnership, 50 partnership between the two, Lala and Mehraj. This is great partnership between the two. 97 on board for the loss of 3 after 11 overs. खान आदिल ये टूर्नामेंट है, इसमें कितनी मैच है अभी और फाइनल कब होगा? खान आदिल साहब, थैंक यू आपका इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। दिस इज फर्स्ट राउंड ऑफ दिस टूर्नामेंट एट चुकरतुलबा ग्राउंड, Ishfaq Dar. In this tournament, 32 teams are in this tournament, participated in this tournament. Ishfaq Dar, bowling side, say Jao. I will try my best, inshallah, after this. Ishfaq Saab, this is 97 on board after 10-11 overs. Now Shaheen again to the batsman. Lala wants to hit this ball. No runs score, remains on 97 for the loss of 3. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए। इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें सारे। दिस इज आरिफ लोन अगेन टू द बैट्समैन लाला। दिस इज वाइड गिवन बाय द अंपायर Shahnawaz. The score moves to 98 for the loss of 3. Lala, he's on 33. This is again wide given by the umpire. Asif Lone again to the batsman. Lala wants to hit this ball. This is great comeback by the bowler Asif Lone. No run score remains on 99 for the loss of 3. This is 50 partnership up for the two batsmen. This is again Arif to the batsman Lala. मारना चाहते थे यहाँ पे बैट्समैन बल्लेबाज, लेकिन बीट किया आरिफ ने। नो रन स्कोर रिमेन्स ऑन 99 for the loss of 3. This is again Arif to the batsman Lala. He is on fire today. He is on good touch today. He is on 33. Good shot played by the batsman Lala. दंदनाता हुआ चौका लगा लाला के बल्ले से। This is 4 for Lala, 4 for Chukar Zalmi. This is 100 up for Chukar Zalmi. 103 runs for Chukar Zalmi. They lost 3 wickets and this is the 12th over of this first evening. This is great shot played by the batsman Lala. आज खेलना होगा पारी यहाँ पे लाला को, दिखाना होगा अपने चाहने वाले को, अपने फैंस को आज लाला को। He is on fire today. He is on good touch today. He is on 37. This is again Arif Lone to the batsman Lala Hamid. He is on 37. The score on board is 103 for the loss of 3. Again, this is great shot. Very good shot played by the batsman Lala. दंदनाता हुआ चौका लाला के बल्ले से। आज लाला का बल्ला आग उगलता हुआ यहाँ पे इस ग्राउंड पे। This is 4 for Lala, 4 for Chukar Zalmi. Now Lala, he moves on 41. This is great knock played by Lala. He is on strike again. Shahid Wani by Bahrampura is out. Thank you Shahid Wani sir for joining us with this live broadcast. Yes, this is knockout tournament. Shahid Wani sir. This is again Arif Lone to the batsman Lala Hamid. He is on fire today. Marna chahte. This is end of Lala. Very good knock played by the batsman Lala. And this is end of Lala. He make 41 runs in 25 deliveries. आज लाला ने खेल कर दिखाया यहाँ पे अपने चाहने वालों को। 41 runs for Lala. So this is end of Lala. Chukar Zalmi, they lost their 4th wicket in the shape of Lala Hamid. This is great bowling by Arif Lone. And very good catch taken by the wicket keeper. Now the new batsman is Nadeem Bhai, the game changer of this team. Nadeem Bhai yesterday plays very well, knock off 63 runs. Here on at this ground yesterday. Game changer of yesterday match. Nadeem Bhai is on strike. After 12 overs, the score on board is 107 for the loss of 4. Now the new batsman is Nadeem Bhai, is on non-strike end, and on strike is Mehraj. Sahil is on his bowling mark. Sahil Rahi, my name is Sahil and I am a big fan of you. Thank you Sahil Rahi sir for joining us with this live broadcast. And I am also thankful to you all of you that you also support me. आप इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। This is Sahil on his bowling mark to the batsman Mehraj. He is on 20. This is great shot played by the batsman and very good fielding. The two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves to 108 for the loss of 4. This is great fielding at the end by the fielder of Yal Blasters. जहां 4 होना था वहां पे 3 रन बचाए अपने टीम के लिए. Now Nadeem Bhai, he is on strike. The game changer of yesterday's match. He is on strike. Sahil to the batsman Nadeem. Oh, Nadeem मारना चाहते थे पहले ही बॉल पर, लेकिन बीट किया साहिल ने. No run. Score remains on 108 for the loss of 4. Sahil Rahi, love you, Jigar, thank you. Sahil Rahi Saf for your love, for your support. Again Sahil to the batsman Nadeem wants to hit this, but this is wide given by the umpire. With this wide, the score moves to 109 for the loss of 4. This is again Sahil to the batsman Nadeem Bhai. He is on strike. Again, this is good shot played by the batsman at the end. Very good fielding. जहां 4 होना था वहां पे रन सूखा पड़ा. No runs. Score remains on 109 for the loss of 4. This is 13th over of this first evening. Javed Naiku Lala is gone. Thank you, Javed Naiku Saab, for this is good shot played by the batsman Nadeem Bhai at the end. Very good fielding. The two batsmen completed a single. With this single, the score moves to 110. जहाँ 4 होना था वहाँ पे 3 रन बचाए फील्डर ने अपने टीम के लिए. This is great fielding at the end by the fielder. Sahil Rahi shoot out there too. Thank you, Sahil Rahi Saf, for joining us, for your love. Thank you, Jay Nagsal. Again, side to batsman Mehraj wants to hit this ball. This is great delivery. Good comeback by the bowler. Dot ball. No run. Score remains on 110 for the loss of 4. This is Sahil again to the batsman Mehraj. This is a great delivery again. But the two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves to 111 for the loss of 4 after 13 overs. Can Chukar Zalmi give the target of 181 on 92? Yal Blasters. It will be seen after this first inning. This is an important match today between Yal Blasters versus Chukar Zalmi. After 13 hours, the score on board is 114 for the loss of 4. This is a great knock play today by Mr. Lala Hamid. He lost his wicket on 41 runs. Very good knock today. Now Sahaba is on his bowling mark to the batsman Mehraj. He is on 22. Throw. So, this is a 20-20 overs match today between the two teams, Yal Blasters versus Chukar Zalmi. The total score on board is 111 for the loss of 4 after 13 overs. Now 7 overs are left in this first inning. Can they give the target of 190, 182? Yal Blasters, it will be seen after this first inning. Yunus is again on his bowling mark to the batsman Mehraj. Sahil Rahi out. कौन हो गया? Thank you, Sahil Rahi साहब. Sahil Tawfiq. Oh, this is a chance of a wicket here, but no man's land. This is 4 for Mehraj, 4 for Chukar Zalmi. The score moves to 115 for the loss of 4. This is a great shot played by the batsman Mehraj. He moves on 26 in 27 deliveries. Lala, Tawfiq, and this is again Yunus to the batsman Mehraj. Again good shot played by the batsman. दंदनता हुआ चौका लगा मेहराज के बल्ले से. This is 4 for Mehraj, 4 for Chukar Zalmi. The score moves to 119 for the loss of 4. Score तेजी से बढ़ता हुआ 119. 4 विकेट गवाए Chukar Zalmi ने. Sharif Bacha, Lala score. Thank you, Sharif Bacha, for joining us with this live broadcast. This is a good knock play today by Lala Hamid. 41 runs knock off Lala, and Yunus Mala again to the batsman Mehraj. He is on 30. Yesterday Mehraj take a man of the match against BCC Bahrampura. Very well locked and very well bowling yesterday by Mehraj. He is again on strike. Oh, दंदनता हुआ छक्का बल्ले से किया हाथ सुनो, छक्के का फरमान सुनो. This is great shot played by the batsman Mehraj. With the 6, the score moves to 125 for the loss of 4. The individual score of Mehraj is 36. This is great shot played by the batsman Mehraj. He is on good touch today. Yesterday he took the man of the match award against BCC Bahrampura. Mehraj. साहिल राही मैच किस ग्राउंड में चल रहा है? थैंक यू साहिल राही साहब फॉर joining us with this live broadcast. This is T20 Super Cup played at Chukar Tulbagh ground. The two teams are today Yal Blasters versus Chukar Zalmi. Sharif Bacha Lala Sikur, thank you. Dar Umar, if there is any talented player in Chukar, he is Ishfaq Dar, Chukar Royals captain. Thank you Dar Umar Sahab for your love, for your support. Chukar Royals, the captain of Chukar is Ishfaq Dar. This is again Yunus Mallah to the batsman. This is for toss delivery. मारना चाहते थे यहाँ पे बल्लेबाज महराज. The two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves to 126 for the loss of 4. This is 14th over of this first inning. Yunus Mallah came to the batsman Nadeem Bhai. मारना चाहते थे यहाँ पे नदीम, बीट किया यूनुस ने. No run score remains on 126 for the loss of 4. This is great bowling by Yunus. Yunus again on his bowling mark to the batsman Nadeem Bhai. He is on strike. This is a wide given by the umpire. The score moves to 127 for the loss of 4. This is 14th over of this first inning. Sahil Rahi Chal Jai Anya over. Thank you Sahil Rahi Sahab for your love, for your support. Thank you Sahil Rahi Sahab. This is again this is great shot played by the batsman Nadeem Bhai. This is 4 for Nadeem, 4 for Chukar Zalmi. With this 4, the score moves to 131 for the loss of 4. This is great shot played by the batsman Nadeem Bhai. This is first 4 for Nadeem. With this 4, the score moves to 131 for the loss of 4. Jimmy Cherry yet to Rode Pawan Sada. Thank you Jimmy Cherry Sahab for joining us with this live broadcast. This is Nadeem Bhai and Mehraj. अगर हम इनकी बात करेंगे, कल एक 100 रन की पार्टनरशिप खेली इस कल के मुकाबले में अगेंस्ट PCC Baharampura. Very well partnership between the two batsmen yesterday, Mehraj and Nadeem. 101 run partnership खेली कल इन दो बल्लेबाजों ने. जरूरत थी उस पार्टनरशिप की कल चुकर सालमी को, because they was in trouble yesterday at that time, but a very good knock by Mehraj and Nadeem yesterday played, and they win that match against BCC Baharampura. Now again today's match with Yal Blasters. After 14 hours, the score on board is 131 for the loss of 4. This is again Sahil on his bowling mark to the batsman Sahil Rafiq. Cold drink pure. Ji sir, thank you Sahil Rai Sahab for your love, for your support, and this is again Sahil to the batsman Mehraj. He is on 36. This is a great delivery by Sahil. No run score remains on 131 for the loss of 4. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. दिस इज अगेन साहिल टू द बैट्समैन Mehraj. This is great delivery again at the end. Very good fielding by the fielder. The two batsmen complete a single. With the single, the score moves to 132 for the loss of 4. Sohail Pari, love for Chukar Zalmi from Kashmir. Zalmi KSA. Thank you Sohail Pari Sahab for your love to Chukar Zalmi from KSA. This is again good shot played by the batsman. Dandanaata hua shaka Nadeem ke balle se. This is 6 for Nadeem, 6 for Chukar Zalmi. The score moves to 138 for the loss of 4. The partnership moves on 31 in 15 deliveries. This is great shot played by the batsman Nadeem Bhai. Yesterday he was the game changer of that match. Well played knock yesterday, 63 runs. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें ताकि घर बैठे जो भी देखने वाले हैं वो इस अहम मुकाबले का घर बैठे मजा ले, आनंद ले इस मैच का. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मैच टुडे. चुकर ज़ालमी वर्सेस Yal Blasters. First Yal Blasters, they win the toss and they opted to field first. After 14.3 hours, the score on board is 138 for the loss of 4. This is Sohba again to the batsman Nadeem Bhai. Another good shot, good comeback by Sahaba. Very good delivery. No run score remains on 138 for the loss of 4. This is 15th over of this first inning. Sahaba again to the batsman Nadeem Bhai. This is a catch here. At the end he lost this catch. यहाँ पे एक मौका बनता था विकेट का, कैच का मौका था लेकिन खवाया फील्डर ने. This is luck for the batsman Nadeem Bhai. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves to 139 for the loss of 4. Sahaba again to the batsman Mehraj. This is a great delivery by Sahaba, but cannot stop the batsman to take a single. With the single, the score moves to 140 for the loss of 4. This is end of 15 hours. Khan Adil bhai, thoda zoom karo. Thank you Khan Adil sahab for your good suggestion. खान आदिल साहब, थैंक्स फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस विद दिस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट। आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए आप तक हमारी क्वालिटी और आवाज़ कैसी पहुंच पा रही है, और कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए आप कहां से इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को इस वक्त देख रहे हैं। दिस इज मैच बिटवीन Yal Blasters versus Chukar Zalmi. After win the toss, Yal Blasters they decided to field first after 15 hours. The score on board is 140 for the loss of 4, and this is first evening of this match. Khan Adil, thank you Sajid, thank you Khan Adil Saab for your love, for your support, and Hamid HB, nice commentary bro. Thank you Hamid Saab for joining us with this live broadcast. This is Chukar Zalmi versus Yal Blasters. Yawar, he's on his bowling mark to the batsman Mehraj. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman. At the end, very good fielding. जहाँ 4 होना था वहाँ पे सूखा रन पड़े. At the end, the two batsmen take a single here. Great fielding at the end by the fielder. जहाँ 4 होना था वहाँ पे 3 रन बचाए फील्डर ने. The score moves to 141 for the loss of 4. खान आदिल, अच्छी आवाज आ रही है, मैं सूरा दुलबाग से देख रहा हूँ. Thank you खान आदिल साहब for joining us, for you are allowed to watch this live broadcast. This is again Yawar to the batsman. Oh, this is good shot played by the batsman. दंदनाता हुआ छक्का यावर भाई के नदीम भाई के बल्ले से. This is a 6 for Nadeem, 6 for Chukar Zalmi. With the 6, the score moves to 147 for the loss of 4. दंदनाता हुआ छक्का नदीम के बल्ले से. This is a great partnership here between the two wickets again. The two batsmen yesterday plays very well of partnership. 101 partnership yesterday against BCC Bahrampura. Panelist Babu, assalamu alaikum Bilal bhai. Thank you panelist Babu Saab for joining us with this live broadcast. Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. आप सभी का इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए शुक्रिया. इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें. दिस इज अगेन यावर टू द बैट्समैन नदीम भाई. Again good shot, very good shot played by the batsman. दंदनाता हुआ छक्का लगा नदीम भाई के बल्ले से. बल्ले की आठ सुना. Oh, this is 6 for Nadeem bhai. With the 6, the score moves to 153 for the loss of 4. Nadeem bhai, he is on 24 in 10 deliveries. $153 runs for the loss of 4 after 15.3 hours. Can they give the target of 200 to Yal Blasters? It will be seen after this first inning. अगर हम बात करेंगे इन दो बल्लेबाजों की तो अच्छे बल्लेबाज है दोनों, महराज और नदीम भाई. Yet to bat for Chukar Zalmi. Abdul Ahad Naiku is yet to bat. This is again Yawar to the batsman Nadeem bhai. Again plays a shot here, but at the end very good fielding. The two batsmen take a single. With this single the score moves to 154 for the loss of 4. Javed Naiku Facebook की income क्या है? Thank you Javed Naiku sir for joining us with this live broadcast. Panelist Babu, thank you for your love. This is again Yawar to the batsman Mehraj. He's on 39. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman. This is a chance of catch. Very good catch taken at the end by the fielder Sahil. This is the end of Mehraj. Very well knocked played by the batsman Mehraj. This is 5th wicket for Chukar Zalmi. यहाँ पे एक अच्छा कैच लपेटा फील्डर ने साहिल ने. So this is end of Mehraj. Very well knocked. 39 runs played today. The score on board is 154 for the loss of 5 after 15.5 hours. Now the new batsman is the big hitter of this team. Abdul Ahad Naiku is on strike. The new batsman for Chukar Zalmi. Mr. GM, thank you, GM Saab for your love. Mr. Ahad Naiku, he is on strike, the new batsman, one of the senior cricketer, one of the genius and honest cricketer of this area. Abdul Ahad Naiku, he is on strike. Yesterday, very well knocked played yesterday, and he gives win to his team, Chukar Zalmi. He is on strike again. Yawar to the new batsman, Abdul Ahad Naiku. Can they give the target of 200 runs, 210 to Yal Blasters? If this batsman Ahad Naiku will stay here in 2-3 hours, the shape of this match will be different here. This is Yawar to the batsman Adil. This is a good delivery by Yawar. No run score remains on 154 for the loss of 5. This is end of 16 hours. Sohail Pare playing after so many years, but still the same batting. Nadi, destructive hitter, talent, well done. Bro, thank you Sohail Pare for your love to Nadeem Bhai. Really, he is very young, talented, genius cricketer for Chukar Zalmi. He is on 25 in 11 deliveries. Dar Yasin, umpire Kone, thank you. Dar Yasin sir for joining us with this live broadcast. This is again Nadeem Bhai on strike. Oh, this is a great shot played by the batsman. दंदनाता हुआ छक्का. बल्ले की आवाज सुनो, छक्के का ये फरमान सुनो. नदीम भाई के बल्ले से. This is 6 for Nadeem, 6 for Chukar Zalmi. With the 6, the score moves to 160 for the loss of 5. This is a great shot played by the batsman Nadeem Bhai. He moves on 31 in 12 deliveries. Faisal Mir, love from Kadipuk. Thank you Faisal Mir for joining us with this live broadcast. Panelist Babu Nedi ko ab hit karna hoga. Thank you. Panelist for your good. This is again a shot to the batsman. Nadeem again plays a shot here. Ball on air and this is no man's land. The two batsmen complete a single. With this single, the score moves to 161 for the loss of 5. Nadeem Bhai, he's on 32. He's on non-strike. Now, Ahad Naiku, he's on strike. The senior most cricketer of this team, Chukar Zalmi, he's on strike. Irshad Rabada. Oh, this is solo delivery by Irshad Rabada. Beat the batsman, Abdul Ahad Naiku. No run. Score remains on 161 for the loss of 5. If this pair will be sitting in 2-3 hours, this will be different game here. Can they give the target of 210, 222 Yal Blasters? For 3 hours are remaining. Irshad Rabada again to the batsman Ahad Naiku. मारना चाहते थे यहाँ पे लेकिन बीट किया Irshad Rabada ने. No run. Score remains on 161 for the loss of 5. This is very important match today between Yal Blasters versus Chukar Zalmi. Again Rabada to the batsman Ahad Naiku wants to hit this ball but beat किया यहाँ पे bowler Irshad Rabada ने. No run. Score remains on 161 for the loss of 5. This is 17th over of this first inning. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए कितना टारगेट देने में कामयाब हो जाएगी चुकर ज़ालमी याल ब्लास्टर्स को. This is again Irshad Rabada to the batsman Ahad Naiku. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman and this is a 4 for Ahad Naiku. He opens his account with this 4. With this 4, the score moves to 165 for the loss of 5. Now 3 overs are remaining. 18 deliveries are remaining in this first inning. Can they give the target of 210, 220? It will be seen after these 3 overs. आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए कितना टारगेट देने में कामयाब हो जाएगी चुकर ज़ालमी टीम याल ब्लास्टर्स को. If this pair Nadeem Bhai and Ahad Naiku will sit in 3 hours, this will be different here. They will give a huge target if these two batsmen Nadeem and Ahad Naiku, because these two batsmen are big hitters. Now Nadeem Bhai on strike. He is on 32 in 13 deliveries. Shaheen Butt, he is on his 4th over to the batsman Nadeem Bhai. 3 overs are remaining. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman. This is this was the chance of a catch, but at the end missed by the fielder Sahil. The two batsmen take a single. With this single, the score moves to. This was a chance of wicket here of Nadeem Bhai, but very well tried at the end by the fielder. The score moves to 166. Now Ahad Naiku on strike. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman. Here is a chance of a wicket. Oh, this is end of Ahad Naiku. Very good catch taken at the end by the fielder. This is great catch taken by the fielder. So this is end of Abdul Ahad Naiku. He make only 4 runs. The score on board is 166 for the loss of 5. आज निराश किया इस बल्लेबाज अब्दुल अहद नाइकू ने अपने चाहने वाले को. साहिल राय ग्राउंड में ये ऑफ साइड की तरफ गंदगी क्या है. थैंक यू साहिल रफीक साहब फॉर joining us with this live broadcast. Now the new batsman is Roop Mir on strike for Chukar Zalmi. The score is 166 for the loss of 1 after 17.2 hours. आप कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर लिखिए कितना टारगेट देने में कामयाब हो जाएगी आज चुकर जालमी की टीम याल ब्लास्टर्स को, बिकॉज दे हैव 4 विकेट्स इन हैंड एंड दे हैव still 16 deliveries left in this first inning. This is a Roopmir on strike. Shaheen Butt again. Oh, this is great delivery by Shaheen Butt. Beat the batsman. Here the two batsmen take a single. With the single, the score moves to 167 for the loss of 6. Sahir Rafi usko saaf kar video. Thank you Sahir Rafi saaf for your good suggestion and thanks to joining us with this live broadcast. This is again Shaheen Butt to the batsman Nadeem Bhai. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman Nadeem Bhai. दंदनाता हुआ चौका Nadeem Bhai के बल्ले से. With this score, the score moves to 171 for the loss of 6. Now Nadeem Bhai, he moves on 37 in 15 deliveries. This is again Shaheen Butt to the batsman Nadeem Bhai. He's on 37. Oh, this is great shot played by the batsman Nadeem Bhai. दंदनाता हुआ छक्का Nadeem Bhai के बल्ले से. This is great shot played by the batsman Nadeem Bhai. The score moves to 183 for the loss of 6. Now the individual score of Nadeem Bhai. He's on 43. This is a great hit by the batsman Nadeem Bhai. Sorry, the score on board is 177 for the loss of 6. This is a great knock played by Nadeem Bhai today. He's on 43 in 16 deliveries. Can take you the target of 210, 222 Yal Blasters. It will be seen after 13 deliveries. Here this batsman Nadeem Bhai, if he stays in these deliveries, this will be different here because he is very talented, young and powerful hitter of this team Chukar Zalmi. He is on 43. Panless Babu, Mir Roop, big fan. Thank you Panless Babu for your love to Roop Mir. He is on non-strike and Panless Babu Saab. This is again Shaheen Butt to the batsman Nadeem Bhai. He is on 43. Shaheen to the batsman Nadeem. Oh, दंदनाता हुआ छक्का. बल्ले किया हाथ सुनो. 6 का ये फरमान सुनो. Nadeem Bhai के बल्ले से आग उगलता हुआ Nadeem Bhai का बल्ला. He is on 49. Very good shot played by the batsman Nadeem Bhai. This is great shot. This is great knock here by Nadeem Bhai. He is on 49. The score moves to 183 for the loss of 6. Now 2 overs are remaining in this first inning. 12 deliveries are remaining. आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए कितना टारगेट देने में कामयाब हो जाएगी चुकर जालमी याल ब्लास्टर्स को. आप सभी का शुक्रिया इस लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट में जुड़ने के लिए. सो दिस इज रूपमीर ऑन स्ट्राइक. शाहीन this is a great, he has a chance of a catch, but this is a so this is a Mir Roof plays a very good shot here. This is 6 for Mir Roof. He opens the account with the 6. The score moves to 189. Again, very good comeback by the bowler Arif Lone. Beat the batsman. मारना चाहते थे यहाँ पे Roopmir. No run score remains on 189 for the loss of 6. Umar Fayaz, thank you Umar Fayaz for joining us with this live broadcast. Shahid Lone, big fan Nadeem, and this is good shot again played by the batsman Roopmir. Give a strike to Nadeem Bhai. He's on strike again. The two batsmen complete a single. With this single, the score moves to 190 for the loss of 6. Now 9 deliveries are remaining in this first. Nadeem Bhai, he's on 49, and this is 50 for Nadeem Bhai. Very good shot played at the end. This is 4 for Nadeem Bhai, 4 for Chukar Zalmi, and this is great knock played by Nadeem Bhai. This is 50 for Nadeem. He is one of the best game changer of Chukar Zalmi team. He is on fire today. He is on good touch. He is on 53 in 18 deliveries. This is a great knock play today by Nadeem Bhai. He is again on strike. Arif Lone to the batsman Nadeem. Again, good shot. दंदनाता हुआ छक्का. बल्ले की आहट सुनो. 6 का ये फरमान सुनो. बल्ले की आहट. This is great shot played by the batsman Nadeem Bhai. And this is 6 for Nadeem. 6 for Chukkar Zalmi. The score moves to 196 for the loss of 200 is up for Chukkar Zalmi. This is again Irfan to the batsman. Another shot played by the batsman. And this is 6 for Nadeem Bhai. 6 for Chukkar Zalmi. The score moves to 206 for the loss of 6. The individual score of Nadeem Bhai. He is on 65. He is on fire today. He is on good touch. Very good batting by the batsman Nadeem Bhai. Now 1 over is left in this first inning. The score on board is 206 for the loss of 6. Shahid Loan, big fan Nadeem and Ahmad Tahir. Thank you Shahid Loan sir for you are allowed to Nadeem and Ahmad Tahir. This is Nadeem Bhai today on fire. He plays very well. He's on 65 and Rupmir again on strike. He's on 7. And this is the last over of this first inning. आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए कितना टारगेट देने में कामयाब हो जाएगी और आज चुकर ज़ालिमी याल ब्लास्टर्स को. They have only 1 overs left and they have on 206 for the loss of 6 on board. Shahid Loan, congratulations for you 50 again. Good player. Thank you Shahid Loan sir for you are allowed to Nadeem Bhai. This is Arif. Rupmir, he's on strike. Oh, this is great to be missed by the wicket keeper. And this is a single for the two batsmen. They take 1 run in the shape of eyes. With this one, the score moves to 207 for the loss of 6. Jimmy JD इसने सूदी में क्या कहा है? Thank you Jimmy JD साहब for you allowed to Nadeem Bhai. Umar Fayaz Uhu Nadi, thank you Umar Fayaz साहब for you allowed to Nadeem Bhai. Mir Raju 220, thank you Mir Raju साहब for your positive comment. This is Yawar again to the batsman Nadeem Bhai. Here Nadeem Bhai मारना चाहते थे यहाँ पे लेकिन 1 रन मिलेगा यहाँ पे Nadeem Bhai को. The score moves to 208 for the loss of 6. Now 4 balls are remaining in this first inning. Which target will be for Yal Blasters? It will be seen after 4 deliveries. This is again Yawar to the batsman Rupmir. He is on 7. This is the end of Rupmir. Very good catch taken at the end by wicketkeeper. Yawar takes his first wicket. Second wicket in the shape of Rupmir. This is end of Rupmir. 208 for the loss of 6. Now 3 balls are remaining in this first over. Shahid Loan 230. Thank you Shahid Loan sir for your positive comment. 230 will be target. Majid bowler कौन कैप्टन की कमी है? Thank you Majid sir for you are allowed to the bowler Yawar. Panless Babu 225. Thank you Panless Babu for you are a positive comment. 225 by Panless Babu. Mir Raju Nadeem Bhai, danger player. Thank you Mir Raju for you allowed to Nadeem Bhai. Now the new batsman is Sikandar on strike. He is one of the young, talented, powerful cricketer for Chukkar Zalmi. He is on strike. Yawar to the batsman. Oh, this is a great shot played by the batsman. At the end, this is 6. 6 for Sikandar. He opens second with this 6. With this 6, the score moves to 214 for the loss of 7. This is great shot played by the batsman Sikandar on his first delivery. Mir Raju Nadeem Bhai, danger player. Thank you Mir Raju sahab for your love to Nadeem Bhai. Sam Bilal 230. Thank you Sam Bilal sahab. This is again Yawar to the batsman. Sikandar wants to hit this ball, but the two batsmen take a single in the shape of eyes. With this single, the score moves to 215 for the loss of 5. And this is last delivery of this first inning. Mir Umar Chukkar win inshallah. Thank you Mir Umar sahab for joining us on my YouTube channel. This is last delivery of this first inning. आप जरूर कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखिए कितना टारगेट देने में कामयाब होगी. This is Yawar again to Nadeem. Very good delivery at and this is end of first inning. The total target is 216 for Yal Blasters and very well knocked played by the batsman Nadeem. He plays very well knocked 66 runs in 21 deliveries. Very well knocked today. So this is end of first inning. The total target for Yal Blasters is 216 in 20 overs. So here is a break. Here is end of this first inning. This is Assalamu alaikum. Khuda Hafiz.